Hey guys, welcome to Electrofun. If you haven't subscribed our channel, please subscribe because we are coming up with new videos every week. In this video, I'll show you how you can send data serially to your Arduino and do some amazing stuffs. So let's get started. So what we'll do over here is we'll read the data serially to our serial terminal and then control a LED with the same. So first I'll define character data. What this will do is variable to store the data. Then I'll just do serial begin with the baud rate of 9600 and we need to control a LED. So I'll define LED pin as well. LED pin to let's say 5 and then over here pin mode defining LED pin as output. So we are done with the initialization. Now let's move on with the loop function. So we'll remove this. Now we'll check if the serial is available, which means we'll continuously check the availability of serial port, and if we get data, we'll just move on to store the data. So serial available in if. So what this will do is it will continuously check, run your code and check if there is availability of data. If you get the data, we'll just store the data in the variable which we have created and read it and then print it so that we can see our data which is stored. So what this does is checks the availability of serial port. After that, what this does is read the data and stores it in variable. Then print the received data. So yeah, so we are done. We are cool over here. So we'll just save the code as serial underscore read underscore tutorial. We'll compile the code. Okay, now I forgot to mention we don't have any external LED over here. So we'll use the internal LED which is connected on pin number 13 on Arduino Uno. So I'll change that to pin number 13 and the compilation continues. Now we have not written any data, any code to control our LED. We'll just check if we are receiving the serial data. Now I'll connect the Arduino with my laptop. Okay, looks fine with the board and port, and click on upload the code. Once the code is uploaded, I'll open the serial terminal and check if we are getting the data we sent over here. So first I'll write hello. Okay, so we can see we are getting hello over here. Then we'll write hey, how are you with a question mark. So yeah, you can see we are getting hey, how are you. Now let's just do something interesting with the data we are getting. We'll just write a if and check if the data is 1. So we will digital write our LED pin to high. Else if the data is 0, we'll compare for 0 as well because we can send any value. So digital write LED pin to low and some amount of delay, 100 milliseconds looks fine. So yeah, we are done with the code over here. We'll save it, we'll compile it and then we'll upload it. So compilation is done. We'll click on upload. You can directly use the shortcuts as I am using Control R to compile the code, Control S to save the code, and Control U to upload the code. If you want this code and the explanation of it, you can just visit my website www.electrofund.co.in. It contains the detailed description of how the code works and everything. So yeah, the code is uploaded. Now we'll check. We'll open our serial terminal and check if the LED works. So now I'm sending 1 over here. So the LED didn't work. Now I'll explain you why this happened. I sent 0 as well. Now the data which you are getting is character, because the data type of data which you have defined at the top of your code is character, but you are comparing that with an integer, so it won't work. So what we'll do is we'll just do double quotes, single quotes over here, and compare that with the character. Now it looks fine. Now we'll just upload the code and check if this works. So you need to work very well if you are taking string, characters, integers, so that way you can work. Yeah, so the code is uploaded. Now I'm sending again 1 over here, and you can see the onboard LED on the Arduino board is on. Now I'll just send 0 over here, so it is off. If you send any character, let's say hello, so you get hello as well, and there are no change of state of your LED. Just send 1 0 1 0. So as you can see, it works perfectly fine. So that's all how you can read the data serially with your Arduino. I hope you have understood this video. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section below. I'll answer all of them. Make sure you subscribe our channel and stay tuned. Thank you.